Hi everyone, I've come on to do a one sheet wonder stash buster using up your 6x6 pads, and also I'm testing out my new video on my new phone. Anyway, so this is what the cards look like, what I've done. So I've used pattern paper, a mat, it keeps focusing, a stamp, and then used a punch for some flowers and put a little bling there. So what I used for this was the Cool Waters Hobbycraft for the matting, and this is a pad that I've had forever and never used it. I think it was from the works, so I thought, well, it's about time I used it up. And these are the dimensions. So the card blank itself is Hobbycraft, the 5x7. The matting card is 6.5 by 2.5 inches, and the pattern paper is 6 by 2 inches. So out of every one piece of pattern paper you can get 3 cards. So I just thought I'd come on and share, and those are the dimensions to make that card that I've made. There they are. If you want to pause it, you can do. And like I say, it makes 3 cards. That's a different one. There, it's 3 cards. I'm quite liking the grayscale as well. These two were made using my nesting dies, and obviously you use more paper because it's 1 sheet of paper per card. So you'll get through your paper pads quicker, but you won't get as many cards made as if you did a one sheet wonder with these. Right, I just thought I'd share that and share the dimensions with you, just in case you want to bust your stash and make a load of cards up and use them 6x6 paper pads up. Okay then, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.